Climate change has a human face. It's the face of millions of people forced to leave their homes every year. The environmental crisis has the greatest impact on those who contribute to it the least. If everyone lived and consumed like an average European, the world's inhabitants would need 2.8 Earths to survive. Isn't that crazy? In the current economic situation, nearly 50% of the world's emissions are produced by the richest 10% of the global population. The climate crisis is a social crisis. Over 20 million people are displaced due to climate-fueled disasters every year and often end up being exploited. We have the power to change this. Get involved to bring about change. We demand climate justice for all. We ask to keep global warming under 1.5 degrees by decarbonising and pushing renewable energy so we can achieve climate neutrality in the EU by 2040. A well-being economy, one that cares about society and nature rather than big corporations. We demand that the countries contributing the most to the environmental crisis repay those who suffer because of it. Migration policies and legal protection allowing safe migration anywhere in the world. We are the ones who will see the worst effects of the environmental crisis. But our generation is the last one that can do something about it. We call for the participation of youth in political decision-making. Join the movement. Together we can start a climate of change and demand climate justice for all.